like it's not smart to have the bed so close to the garage.
Oh, good morning, everybody. Haven't talked to him in a couple of days, but just to let y'all know, there's a motherfucking hurricane coming. Literally, a fucking hurricane. And we're trying to get water right now at Publix. Me and my boyfriend. So, there it shows. So back to what I was saying. There is a tropical 3 storm heading towards Florida. Floridian, and you know, every time they say a storm is coming, there's no storm coming. There's no storm at all. There's this storm or da storm coming to Florida. On the East Coast, there's never nothing wrong. I mean, on the West Coast, yes, there's a lot of things wrong that can happen on that side of Florida, but on this side of Florida, there's never nothing wrong. And we always get prepared for it, and it's like, what are we getting prepared for? What are we getting prepared for? Because it's literally nothing ever happens besides we get a lot of flood, and some parts of where my hometown is, some parts of my hometown will get out of power. So I'm not taking this storm like heavy. Like, I'm taking it very lightly. Like, they always say there's a storm, but nothing will ever happen. So I'm not gonna prepare myself for something that's not gonna really happen. But if the storm does happen and there is people that are affected, I give my condolences of, you know, whatever happens, you know. Anyways, I kind of wanted to come on here because, like, I'm not gonna lie, I have not filmed, I have not edited. I just been in a funk, and it's a bad funk, and I'm just like, I don't know why I'm in this funk, but I'm in a funk. Like, I just don't want to do, like, I'm still doing my regulars, but like, I'm not keeping up with what I said I wanted to do as far as like my channel, and like be more consistent with my channel and stuff like that. So it's like, every single time. But that's besides the point. Yeah, nothing has been going on. That's why also another thing, I haven't really wanted to pick up the camera. Like I said, I'm trying to change the style of my vlogging, and I'm not just picking up the camera just to pick up the camera and just show you something that I just do on a daily basis. I'm just not gonna vlog or anything like that. My boyfriend just got an extra 2 cases of water. Hopefully, I think an extra 2 cases of water. But this storm is not bad. We just gotta get a lot of food because there's a lot of people in the house. Hey y'all, it's Tiffany Nicole. So I'm working on editing this video right here. I'll give you guys a little backstory before I go ahead and post this. So this is future me talking right now. The whole video is basically about the storm and preparation about the storm, and then the storm passed, and then I went out with a couple girlfriends. There's gonna be a big switch around with my videos. Does not mean that y'all won't still get, like, you know, the life diaries as I've always been showing you guys. So I think I still love the life diaries, as in my opinion. I believe that it just shows different phases in my life and where my mindset is and how I move around through life and stuff. But like I told y'all, next year I want to go stupid crazy. So I'm just trying to get all the videos done for this year. So I'm gonna just be posting a whole bunch of videos. I'll give more an in-depth explanation on what's going on with my life and how my life is going, and how next year is gonna go crazy for me. I just want to get the rest of these videos out, plan out some videos for next year, that way I can start hitting you guys with some new videos. And yeah, but the whole thing about this video is preparation for a storm. We had the storm, it passed, nothing really happened. When I say I feel blah in the video, I was really going through something within my mind, and I realized, you know, I mean, after it already had passed, this time and date has already passed, I'm now feeling 10 times better than I was feeling in the middle of the year. So yeah, and I don't want to give too much away because I'm going to sit down and actually have a real on conversation with you guys, because y'all are my family, and I know my actual family is actually watching, but y'all are my family, and I just love being honest with y'all and expressing myself, because I was never the type of person to express yourselves as much as I do now. And I think I just love that about me. I think I'm evolving into a different person that I was this entire year, and I'm very grateful that my mind has my mindset has changed, and I can't wait for the possibilities. But I'm gonna let y'all continue watching this video, and I hope you guys are enjoying. We're kind of about to rewatch an old movie. Lilo and Stitch is one of my favorites, old time movies, and I love the classic movies when before they ruined everything and decided to change everything up. But I love a good old cartoon movie. It's flooding. That's good. It's just raining real hard. Real hard. The wind right now is going crazy. We're at Dollar Tree getting some dish soap. See, there goes Dennis. Crazy.
I just put my name down for our table. They said the longest it'll be is an hour and
'Cause in works, guys. It's in works.
editing. How long does it take?
Hours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Vlogging does. I mean, editing does take mad long.
Outside. They said that one? Because any
Thank you. I have to get something for my dad. My daddy. For your daddy. You gotta get something for your man, Tiffany.
Yeah.
Different priorities. So when I told her about it, Peter was standing right there. So he started talking. He was like, "Oh yeah, like she could go."
What do you mean she could go?
No, listen. He was like, "Yeah, babe, go." He walked away and we met back up in the kitchen. He was like, "Yeah, so I'm not coming. Tiffany's coming though." I was like,
"Who invited you?"
Oh, sorry, my fingers are all in your thing. I was like, "Nobody invited you." He looked at me. He was like, "Oh, I wasn't invited." No. I was like, "No, it's a girl's night. Ooh. You is not a girl."
That's funny.
You was a boy.
It would have been funny if he got ready and everything.
Okay, I'd have been like, "Where you going?"
LOL.
Hi, vlog.
She's so annoying.
How are you?
Hey, vlog.
Is that my ugly side? Probably.
I'm done. I
don't have a good side. Just gorgeous. Y'all can't be God's favorite.
Shut up.
She got coconut, strawberry. Here. Cheers.
The cheese is hot.
The cheese cold. Look at that. Yeah.